Hi everyone, welcome to lanretsolutions. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at English Language Paper 1, May-June WAEC 2008 past question, but we are going to be focusing majorly on question 4 today. Question 4 says, you are the chief speaker in a debate on the topic, the television has done more harm than good. Write your speech for or against the topic. Now, these were the following observations of WAEC for this question. As the chief speaker in a debate, the candidate is required to write his speech for or against the proposition that the television has done more harm than good. Candidates were expected to take a stand and discuss at least 3 arguments for a good mark. Attempts on this question were very few and largely unsatisfactory. That was what WAEC noticed about the question. The ideas were disjointed and candidate's stand was not sufficiently clear. That was what WAEC noticed about the question in answering it by candidates. Now let's focus on the hint on answering this question and getting a full mark from the question. 1. Make sure your essay is up to 450 words. This is an argumentative essay. A debate is an argumentative essay, so you must know that and you must treat it as such. The first thing you should write is your heading, and the most appropriate heading could be the television has done more harm than good. Then greet the audience, starting from the most important. So in your writing you start with greetings. The chairman, the panel of judges, co-debaters, ladies and gentlemen. Note that capital letter begins each word, so you must begin the words with capital letter, except a few words like of, like and, that are always having a small letter as a beginning in a title case. Then you should state your stand under introduction. Either you want to be for, that is, you want to support, or you want to be against, that means you want to oppose. Under the body, if you are supporting, give at least 3 harms television has caused with elaborate examples. Note that, elaborate examples. If you are opposing, give 3 good things or reasons how television has helped the people generally, with elaborate examples. Either supporting or opposing, imagine few weak points supposedly raised by the opposing side and demolish them with a convincing argument. That is very, very important. Then end with a thank you. End with a thank you. So that's where I will be drawing the curtain for question number 4. And for more questions and inquiry about this question, you can send me an email at lanretsolutions@gmail.com. If you want our text file, you can visit the link displayed on the screen. To get WAEC or NECO past questions and solutions for different other subjects, you can, as a text file, you can visit our blog lanretsolutions.blogspot.com. Now this is where I'll be ending this video. Thank you. See you in question number 5.